When we get to probability questions, and in particular Venn diagrams, it's a good idea to have this page open on your exam book. So, in the question on the left, it says, consider the following Venn diagram, displaying the number of elements belonging to the events A and B. First question, find the number in B. If we go over to the right-hand side, we'll see that the number in B is all of those ones. So we have to think about this. If we think all of B, that is 4, and is also the 2 that's in A. So if you think of all the ones that are in B, it's 6. The next one says the number in the intersection of A and B. If we go over to the right, we see that the intersection is this part here. So it's the middle. We can see that that is obviously 2. When we get to the next question, well, this is the union, the number in the union, A and B. Union A and B is all the ones in the circle. And we can see that there's 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4, that equals 9. Really simple when you've got this document open in your exam book. So make sure you've got it in there. The next one is asking us for a probability. And we know that a probability is going to mean it's going to display as a fraction rather than just a simple number like in these ones here. So what's the probability of 1 being in B? Well, we know that there's going to be 6 in B, but how many are there in total? There's 15 in total. So out of all the elements, there's 15. So we have to say this is 6 over 15. And of course, we can actually simplify that fraction to 2 over 5. If you need help with simplifying, simply put it in your calculator. 6 divided by 15 will give us 2 over 5. Next one, what's the probability of 1 being in the A intersection B? Well, we know that there's 2 out of 15. Can you simplify that? No. Next question is probability of not A intersection B. If we go over to the right-hand side, not A intersection B would be this one here. And now that is obviously just the ones that are in B, but none of the ones that are in A. So that would be this section here, which is displaying as 4 over 15. Can that simplify? No. The last question is the probability of B given A. Now you've got to think about this one. So B given A means, given that it's in A, which is those 5, what's the probability of it being in B? Well, if we're only thinking about these 5, there are 2 that are in B and there's 5 in total. So we say it's 2 over 5. The probability of it being in B, given that it's in A, is 2 out of the 5. And there you have 7 marks.